You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Although there are indeed different pronunciations, there are different spellings as well. Sometimes the L is capitalized, sometimes it's not. So let's go through the most common pronunciations in English, and I believe there are at least three. Two of them are quite similar, as Deleon, with a stress on the D syllable. Deleon, that's probably one of the most common ones. Deleon, or some say it as Deleon. Okay, so very similar, either D or De at the beginning. Deleon, Deleon, still with a stress on the first syllable. Now the other pronunciation is as Deleon. I guess there's a fourth, which is Deleon as well. So Deleon, 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 or Deleon. Yes, and that's why this name is a bit confusing. I would say Deleon is probably one of the most common ones, or Deleon. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. It'd be super useful to know how you pronounce it, if you know anyone with this name, or if you are one with this name. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.